Hello there, friends. So glad you stopped by. Today is Saturday, so that means it's time for a Saturday Showcase. Saturday Showcase is where I show all of the creations from the previous week. This showcase is from November 13th through November 19th, 2021. Let's get busy. Crafty Kimmy had a new release this week. I did not have all of the stamps to participate, but I had a couple. And the first one was Cool Kids. How fun are those stamps? I think this dog looks like Doug from the movie Up. I don't know. I can't wait to use this again. Did a slimline card, the die from Whimsy Stamps. I've used this die so much. I just love how it came out. And this little bird, he cracks me up in a little pile of snow there. And it says, if hugs were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. So how fun is that? And on the inside, I did little snowflakes that come with, or snowballs that come with the set too. Thought it was fun to carry that on over. Next up, oh, before I get going too far, I should say in the description box below, I will have a link to all the blog posts, and you can click on that and go to my blog to find out more details or things like that. Or if there's a video that I might have done, I'll have that linked as well. Next up is the Crafting Kimmy Facebook group has a Christmas challenge each week to help you get ahead on those Christmas cards. And this week the theme was to use a winter color palette. I used this paper from the Not Too Shabby Arctic Winter Box of the Month Club. And so I thought it was so cute. And then the stamp is Woolly Wonderland. It's so neat to be able to have the head, the body is one stamp, and then there's several different heads so you can create what you want. Just thought it was so cute, and it just a little bit different than your normal reds and greens for Christmas. So cute. I love how that little sheep turned out. Trying to think. I didn't stamp him on the inside. I forgot. Next up was my Amazing Monday, which I did do a video. I will link that below as well. It was a collab with Teresa from Fresh and Renewed. And so this is my little mermaid card here. From the mermaid is from My Favorite Things. The stamp set was Mermazing. I just love that little turtle too. Just can you see the shimmer? I keep turning it so I can see the shimmer, but love how that turned out. Next, there was an Instagram hop for Crafting Kimmy, and using the new release. This was another stamp set that I did have for the new release called You're So Cool. And I love how I did this one. I should have done a stencil video. I don't know why I didn't. But this takes the Crafting Kimmy Sweet Snowflakes stencil and some Nuvo Moonstone Glimmer Paste. And I colored this and masked it off, and then I did that over the top. And I don't know if the sparkle can show through the camera or not, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Added lots of interest. And this paper I got for being in the Crafting Kimmy Crafty Club for a year. It was just a little gift. I love how it and the accents, the little dots came with it too. I don't know, I just love this card. I don't mind giving away most of my cards, but this is one that I'll have to think about because I just really like how it turned out. I did stamp her on the inside with a little piece of that pattern paper. So, and I didn't know how to get the cinnamon on there because it's a chunkier cinnamon. And so I stamped it, embossed it, and then I cut it apart. And I really like how that turned out. Sometimes I have waves of creativity for things like that. Next up, I just had this video up yesterday, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time. You can go and look at that below. Was the 4 on Friday with Call Me Crafty Owl. And these were all cards made using the Arctic Winter Not Too Shabby Box of the Month. So yeah, like I said, I just showed these yesterday. Won't spend a lot of time, but I did really like how they all turned out. And that's all the cards I did this week. I was working on getting a lot of cards and things ready for the next couple weeks, because with Thanksgiving here and my son will be home, my daughter will be off school, I didn't know that I would have a lot of time. So I've just been working to get ahead. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, I hope that you will click the button to subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss a thing. And until my next video, go do something for yourself. Get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. Have a wonderful day.